In this video, I will show you how to use BullX, one of the most popular trading platforms for meme coins. Many people are using this fast crypto exchange, but not everyone is using all the tools the right way. I'll show you all the options that this exchange offers so you can maximize your gains and maybe find the next 20, 50, or 1000x meme coins. The meme coin market is absolutely exploding. If we look at crypto rank and filter the year-to-date best-performing crypto assets, they are all meme coins. There's Megaland, Bobo, Thor, Popcat, Cakecoin, Doge and more crazy tokens that have turned many people into crypto millionaires. Bitcoin and Solana have just started their bull run, and meme coins will follow soon. In fact, we have not even started, so it's still early. According to Murad Marmadov, the world's most famous crypto investor and meme coin analyst, meme coins are the crypto of choice for the younger generation and we need to follow them. Another expert, Miles Deutscher, says that this cycle, meme coins will outperform all other coins, so if you want to make some amazing gains in the coming bull run you need to get into meme coins right now. Okay, enough pep talk. Let's start with the basics and sign up for a BullX account. You don't have to fill in your email or home address to open a new account, but you need a special code from someone who is already on BullX. If you use my link in the description below this video, you don't need the code and you will get instant access. There's a waiting list with over 100,000 people to join the platform, but you can get in right now if you use my link, plus you also get a 10% discount on all your trades. Using a crypto exchange is much better than trading on a Telegram bot, because on an exchange you see all the trades, the volume, the market trend, plus you get access to different indicators which you don't have in a trading bot. A crypto exchange simply gives you more control over your trades, so that's enough reasons to jump on board. BullX will first connect you to their Telegram group, and if you log in from Telegram, you will be taken to the home page and automatically receive a custodial wallet. Go to the wallet manager first. Here's your primary Solana wallet along with a list of all the meme coins that you bought. If you want to add another wallet, you can do that with a simple mouse click. This is also your withdrawal wallet address. To add, withdraw, distribute or consolidate tokens to or from other wallets, use the buttons on the right and fill in your details in the respective forms that pop up. To send funds to your BullX address, copy the primary wallet address, open your Phantom wallet and paste the address in the send field. Select the amount of Solana that you want to send, and click Next. Remember to keep some Solana in your Phantom wallet for transaction fees. I only keep a little bit of Solana in my primary exchange wallet, not only because I don't like to store large amounts on exchanges, but mainly because I sometimes put in too much money in a trade when I'm in a winning streak. As a trader, you need a strategy, and good money management is an important part of it. You should also only use risk capital or money that you can afford to lose in crypto. I'm not a financial advisor, but this is a good rule to keep in mind if you are trading crypto. Click the chains link on the left to see all the other chains. I prefer to trade on Solana, because it's fast with low fees, but you can also trade on Ethereum, Base, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum and Blast. On the new pairs page, you get an overview of all the coins that are being traded. I recommend you to use the filter to make a first selection. I want to see coins with mint and freeze authority and LP tokens burned, and I also want tokens with at least one social account. Now, coins that have an X or Telegram account are no guarantee that it's not a scam token because it's simple to create a dummy account on X or Telegram. Next, change the liquidity to 50,000, the minimum market cap 80,000 and transactions at 25. This will take out a lot of the low quality and scam coins. I will show you how to find a good coin later in this video, but first I want to introduce you to the Pump Vision feature, which helps you spot trending tokens. There's a new creation section with tokens that are fresh on the market, an about to graduate section showing tokens that might soon be listed on Radium, and a graduated section for coins that have already made it to Radium. Play around with all the filter settings, and do some paper trades first to see how it works, so you don't blow all your money in a few trades. If you hover your mouse over the colored icons, you can see details like how many coins the top 10 is holding, how many coins were sold by the dev, how much the insiders are holding, the market cap and volume. The Token Explorer gives you a quick overview of all the trending coins, the gainers and losers, and you can sort them out by setting different time frames. On the right side, you see all the major coins. you can add tokens to your watchlist and view your positions. If you open a chart and go to the transactions below, we see more details about the trader wallets. The yellow icons are wallets from the top holders. You don't want to see too many tokens locked in the top 10 wallets, because these tokens are usually distributed among insiders, giving them too much control over the market. The blue and red circles on the chart are the buys and sales by the dev. You want to see the dev sell his tokens as early as possible so the majority of tokens are no longer kept in one wallet. Once you've found a token of interest, you can choose to buy the token at market price, or you can set a limit order. I set slippage to 20 and turn MEF protection on. When it comes to taking profits, you can sell all your tokens at once at the current market price, or you can sell only half, or 75% and keep a bag of coins for future gains. I always set up a stop loss and take profit order right after buying a token, so I don't have to be sitting in front of my computer all the time. You can use the slider to do that. Just slide to the left or right to set your desired sell or buy price, and add the amount of tokens that you want to invest. This feature works extremely smoothly, and the great thing about BullX is that you get an automatic notification in your Telegram bot when the trade goes through. I like this feature a lot because this way I stay updated while I am away from my computer. The automation page lets me overview my current limit orders, and in the portfolio analyzer are my wins and losses, the revenue and total spent, the general performance of my wallet and the complete trading history. And there's even more help for you as a beginner. BullX Academy offers some educational videos, showing you how to get started, add funds to your account, and how to make your first trade. If you are looking for an easy-to-use meme coin trading exchange, then look no further. BullX is packed with amazing features, from tracking pump trends to in-depth analysis tools that give you a head start in trading meme tokens for profit. Don't wait, and open your BullX account using my invitation link below. Get familiar with the exchange, make some paper trades to see how it works, and when you have found a winning strategy, put in some Solana and start your meme coin trading career. That's all for now. If you have anything to add, or have a specific question, please drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to download a copy of my meme coin trading mastery ebook. It's absolutely free and you'll find tons of smart trading tips and tools inside, specifically aimed at meme coin trading. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest crypto videos first. Have a profitable day and stay safe.